Perform measuring practice to check the flatness of the cylinder head is warped or twisted with straight edge is used with a feeler gauge. Hello, I am Charumathi. Welcome to today's session. Engine servicing involves checking the warpage of the machined components with feeler gauge. Warpage will cause leaks and engine performance will be reduced if left unchecked. Warpage can be checked with the help of feeler gauge and a straight edge. Feeler gauge consists of 26 blades with different thicknesses. Depending on the manufacturer, the number will vary. The thickness of blades starts from 0.04 mm to 0.63 mm. Now, I am going to teach you how to measure cylinder head warpage with feeler gauge.
At the end of this demonstration, you will be able to check flatness of cylinder head by feeler gauge and a straight edge. Tools and instruments required: feeler gauge, straight edge, surface plate. Equipment and spares required: cylinder head. Materials required: lubricating oil, Barnier waste. To inspect the engine components with feeler gauge, clean the cylinder head surface to be checked. Place part on a plain surface or surface plate so that surface to be checked faces upward. Keep the straight edge on the surface and press the straight edge at the center with your left hand. Insert the feeler gauge leaves between the straight edge and the surface. If the feeler gauge is going under the straight edge, then the cylinder head is warped. Note down the thickness of the thickest leaves which can be inserted between the straight edge and the surface. This thickness gives the maximum face out in that direction. Repeat the above steps in 4 directions and note down the maximum face out in all the 4 directions. Carry out this procedure at many places as shown. Recommend for resurfacing replacement of parts if maximum face out in any one or more directions is more than the limit specified by the manufacturer.
Thus, in this module, we have learnt to check if the flatness of the cylinder head is warped or twisted with a straight edge and with a feeler gauge. Hope you are clear on this. Do this exercise with the help of your instructor. Thank you.